Hello students and welcome back to Semstar online learning classes. I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. I am Diksha Kesavani, your English teacher, and today we will be discussing something more about pronouns. In the previous video we had discussed about possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronouns, and as I have promised that in this video we will be discussing a few questions for your practice so that you can understand pronouns really well. So without further wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so what you have to do in this exercise is you have to spot the pronouns. For example, my love for you is as wide as the sea. So over here, you have to spot the pronoun, right? And which pronoun is used, you have to identify that also. So over here, we have used only one pronoun, that is you, which is a personal pronoun, correct. Second one is she is pretty. She is pretty. So over here, again, we have used personal pronoun, which is she, which is used in place of subject, correct. Third one is I gave Shirley's number to them. I gave Shirley's number to them. So two pronouns have been used over here. First one is I and second one is them, and both are personal pronoun. Fourth one, the pencil is hers. The pencil is hers. That means over here somebody is showing possession, right? So over here hers is possessive pronoun. Fifth one, she told me it was mine. So four pronouns have been used over here. First one is she, second one is me, and third one is it. And all these three are personal pronoun. Last one, that is mine, which is a possessive pronoun. Sixth one, our little dog had gotten separated from its owner. So its over here is a possessive pronoun. Seventh one, the pencil is not mine, it is hers. So three pronouns have been used over here. First one is mine, which is a possessive pronoun. Second one is it, which is a personal pronoun. And third one is hers, which is again possessive pronoun. Practice. Choose the correct pronoun. So over here four sentences have been given to you. What you have to do is you have to choose the correct option. First one is Anna likes to eat cake. Dash can even eat the whole cake all by herself. So over here we are talking about Anna. Okay, so we have to replace Anna over here. So we will be replacing it with what? She, it, or he. Anna, obviously she is a girl. So obviously we'll be using she. Will not be using he, because he is used for male. He is used for masculine gender and it is used for neuter gender. Okay, so Anna is not a neuter gender. She is not a boy also. She is a girl. So obviously we'll be using she. She can even eat the whole cake all by herself. So I hope it is clear to you that how you have to do this exercise. Okay, you have to understand the sentence and then you have to choose the correct alternative. So I'll not be telling you the answers of second, third and fourth question. You have to do it in your rough copy. You have to pause the video, first copy the sentence, and then you have to choose the correct option. And how you will check the answers? In the next slide I have shared the answers for your reference, so you can check the answers from the next slide. But you don't have to see. First you will be doing it by yourself and then you will be checking your answers. So this is the answer which I have shared for your reference. Let's move further. This is another exercise. Over here what you have to do is you have to correct me if I am wrong. What you have to do, you have to correct me if I am wrong. Obviously you cannot speak over here. So what you have to do is that I'll be reading the sentence and you yourself have to spot the error. Okay, and you have to check yourself how much you know. So first one is mother showed his the shirt. Mother showed his the shirt. Mother showed his the shirt. Is it sounding correct? His. No. What will be used instead of his? Or what will be used in place of his? Obviously him will be used. So the correct answer is him. Mother showed him the shirt. Correct. Second one. Correct me if I am wrong. The children was so happy to see I with a colorful costume. The children was so happy to see I. I. Can we use I over here? No, we cannot use I over here. I is used in place of subject. Over here we require an object. So in place of object we have to use what? We have to use me. So the correct answer will be me. The children was so happy to see me with a colorful costume. Christina showed us her room. John showed us his as well. So over here, can you correct me over here? No, you cannot correct me over here because the sentence is correct. The correct pronunciation, the correct pronoun is used over there. Sorry, not pronunciation. The correct pronoun is used over there. Fourth one, Jenny never admitted that the broken glass was she. Jenny never admitted that the broken glass was she. She. Broken glass was she. Glass. Glass is a feminine gender? No. Glass is what? Non-living thing. So we have to use what? Over here, Jenny broke the glass. So it is showing what? It is showing possession. So over here we have to use what? We have to use possessive pronoun. We don't have to use personal pronoun. So over here the correct answer will be hers. Next one. She told me that the book is her. She told me that the book is her. Her. No. Her is possessive adjective. And we have to use over here what? Possessive pronoun. Right. So it will be hers. This classroom is ours. This classroom is ours. Obviously, this classroom is ours. Correct. So you cannot correct me over here. Seventh one. This beautiful picture was taken by him. This beautiful picture was taken by him. Correct. This is correct. Eighth one. Jenny is a friend of me. Jenny is a friend of me. Me. Me is what? Me is possessive adjective, as I told you. And I told you that possessive adjective is always followed by a noun. So over here, no noun is used. We cannot use me over here. We have to use what? We have to use mine. We have to use possessive pronoun. Correct. Ninth one. I did not regret doing what I did. I did not regret doing what I did. So is this correct? Yes, this is correct. 10th one. Jane made us realize the importance of love. Jane made us realize the importance of love. Again, this is correct. Very good. What are the three kinds of pronouns? Because we have discussed only three kinds of pronoun over here. Personal pronoun, possessive pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. Right. So we are revising the three pronouns over here. Don't think that we are having only three kinds of pronoun. We are having 8 kinds of pronoun. Okay. First one is personal pronouns. Replace proper and common nouns. Possessive pronouns. Express ownership. And third one is demonstrative pronouns. Point to a noun that is near or far or singular or plural. Okay. So this is round 2. You have to again spot the pronouns. I guess you remember this cartoon character. This cartoon character is from Puff Girls. And what is the name of this cartoon character? Her name is Miss Key. So you can consider me as Miss Key. Okay. So what you have to do is, Miss Key is saying that you have to identify the pronouns in the sentence. Tell what kind of pronouns, personal, possessive, demonstrative they are. Because we have studied only 3 kinds of pronoun. Personal, possessive, demonstrative. Okay. So first one is, she did not do the assignment. She did not do the assignment. Quickly tell me. Write it somewhere. If you are having a notebook, write it over there. She did not do the assignment. So over here, she is personal pronoun. Correct. The car is theirs. The car is theirs. Again, quickly write it. Write the answer. Theirs. Possessive pronoun. Correct. Third one. These are very sweet. These are very sweet. These. Demonstrative pronoun. That is a handsome little boy. That. Demonstrative pronoun. Correct. Fifth one. They should come tomorrow. They should come tomorrow. They. Personal pronoun. Sixth one. This is ours. This is ours. So over here we are having 2 pronouns. First one is this, which is a demonstrative pronoun. Ours, which is a possessive pronoun. 7th one. This looks terrible. This looks terrible. This, which is a demonstrative pronoun. And last one. Is that new? It looks nice on you. We are having 3 pronouns, that is that, which is a demonstrative pronoun, it, which is a personal pronoun, and you, which is again personal pronoun. So that's all for today. In the next video, we'll study some more pronouns. Till then, what you have to do? Keep learning, keep practicing. And if you have enjoyed, then you can comment your comments on the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.